video. In this video
we're gonna see a delicious sweet which is called carrot halwa. Without further ado,
let's get started.
Okay guys, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna roast the cashews. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the flame in low speed.
And then we're gonna add some ghee.
We're gonna add just a little bit of ghee.
And we're gonna let this melt. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of cashew nuts.
As you want.
So we're just gonna add that much in.
And now we're gonna let this cashews to get golden brown. Okay guys, so now this is nice and golden brown, so now we're gonna take this aside. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon of ghee into this. Okay. Now the ghee is melted. To this, we're gonna add some carrot. So today we're using 1 cup of carrot.
This is 2 carrots.
So now we're gonna let the carrot roast for 2 minutes.
Now the carrot absorbs the ghee and gives it a nice aroma. Now we're gonna slowly add the milk I've got here.
So now we're gonna add the milk. So today we're using 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of milk to 1 cup of carrot. Make this carrot nice and cooked for 20 minutes in the milk.
And let it sink under the milk.
Okay, now we're gonna cover this up and let this cook for 20 minutes.
Every 10 minutes once, please stir this milk. As you can see, the milk has got less and the carrot absorbed the milk and has been cooked for a while now.
Okay guys, so in low flame, this was cooked for 20 minutes, and as you guys can see, how much the milk has been absorbed. So right now, I think this is the right time to add sugar. So I'm using 1/2 cup of sugar to 1 cup of carrot.
So now we're gonna slowly add this in.
Now we're gonna add slowly. Don't add everything at one time. Make sure this is in low flame. Now we're gonna constantly mix it. Don't leave this, it might just stick to the pan.
As you can see, now it's turning into this liquidy kind of carrot thing.
If you guys want less sugar, just reduce the sugar as you want.
Now we're gonna add some salt to enhance the flavor of it. So this is a pinch of salt.
Okay guys, so right now, as you guys can see, it got thicker. And now we're gonna add ghee so this can come together.
You can add as much ghee as you want. Now stir it really well now.
The ghee has been nicely absorbed inside the halwa. Now we're gonna add the cardamom and cashews.
So these are the roasted ones.
Okay guys, so now this halwa is ready. See how thick it is. It's nice and thick and it looks so yummy.
And the aroma smells so good.
Okay guys, so the halwa is ready. It looks so delicious and I'm so excited to try it. See how it turned out. It's an amazing color and it's beautiful.
So now we're gonna do a taste test.
Okay. So,
just gonna take a little.
It looks so yummy.
3, 2, 1. It tastes so good.
That's just a perfect sweet and it's perfect.
I could eat that all day long.
Thank you for watching this video. Please
Like,
share,
and subscribe.
And
Bye,
see you guys
guys.
later. Bye.